Hello beautiful people, it's Shammy here. In this video I will show you how to join granny squares together. This is a fun way of joining granny squares. So I have two squares here already. With this one that I'm currently showing you, I've already done three sides of this square. So now I'm just finishing up to the corner of that square. So I'm doing 3 double crochets, because remember at the corner there's usually 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, but in this corner we'll only do one set of 3 double crochets and chain 2, so we can start the joining process. So that's what I'm doing there. I've made 3 double crochets and made chain 2. I'm taking another granny square. All right, so with this other granny square that you have, you literally just choose any corner that you want and then you yarn over. So that's 3 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over, and then go to the other square, pick any corner and make 3 double crochets. Very easy method, but very fun to make. So you make 3 double crochet, you remove your hook from remove your crochet hook and then go to the other side of the granny squares, and on that open space just pull up the yarn from there and then make a chain 1 and then yarn over, go back to the other granny square just like I'm showing you in the video. I will show you again. So pretty much you chain 3. After you've chained 3 double crochets, you go on the other side of the granny square, pull up that loop from there and you chain 1, yarn over, and you make 3 double crochets. So pretty much this is how you continue to move from there. 3 double crochets, pull up the loop from the other side of this other square, chain 1, and all right, I will do it one more time. 3 double crochet, pull up the loop, chain 1, and then continue the 3 double crochets on the other side. Okay, so now you see the joining process is starting to come up. So you always pull up the loop from that space. You see the space where I'm showing you right now? All right, so when you pull up the loop, chain 1, yarn over. So now we are at the corner. I want you to pay attention how you join at the corner. Pretty much you make 3 double crochets. All right, so that's 2 and 3. So after you make 3 double crochets, you will chain 1 just like so. Chain 1, remove your hook, go to the other corner from the other square, pull up the loop and make 2 chains, 1, 2. All right, yarn over, go back into that same space, because remember this is the corner. Very easy. If you missed it, then you can always pause, go back, and yeah, make 3 double crochets. And so from here, because we want to join our squares to be straight, so from here, just like I'm showing you in the video, you make your squares all the way to the corner. All right, and so that's it. You move on like that until you have the desired length. And here I'm pretty much just showing you how I'm joining for the last time. This is sped up, but that's pretty much what I was showing you. So this is at the corner. So you make 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then just pick the middle of the joint there, chain 2, chain 2, yarn over. After you chain 2, you always yarn over, go back to the same space. All right, I think this is a really fun way of joining granny squares. And yeah, so here I used 5 different colors, of which 4 colors I used them to make regular squares, and then the 5th color is what I used to join the squares, so that makes it the 5 colors. All right, so the 5th color is what I used to join the squares together. So here you're pretty much just moving the same way I've showed you before. It really comes out nice, as you can see in the video. I think this is a fun, unique way of joining your squares. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to buy or order my bags, please check out AccessibleNeats.com. I'd appreciate love your support. Thank you so much.